Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use probiotics for birds. Probiotics are tiny, helpful living organisms that work wonders for your bird's digestive system. Think of them as good bacteria that keep the gut balanced and strong. They are crucial for maintaining overall health, especially when your feathered friend is under stress or recovering from illness. We'll cover everything you need to know to effectively incorporate them into your bird's routine. Knowing when to give your bird probiotics is key. They are incredibly helpful during stressful times, such as when you move, during breeding season, or after a visit to the vet. If your bird has been on antibiotics, probiotics are essential to replenish the good bacteria. For young birds, they help establish a strong digestive foundation. Many bird owners also use them daily for general health and to prevent common issues. Administering probiotics is quite simple. The most common method is to mix the powdered form into your bird's fresh drinking water. Ensure you change this water daily to keep it potent and clean. Alternatively, you can sprinkle a small, measured amount over their daily food. Always read and follow the specific dosage instructions provided on your chosen probiotic product to ensure your bird receives the correct amount for optimal benefits. Here are some important tips for using probiotics effectively. Always select a probiotic specifically formulated for birds, as these contain the right strains. Proper storage is vital. Keep them in a cool, dry place to maintain their effectiveness. Remember, chlorine in tap water can kill the beneficial bacteria, so use filtered or distilled water. Finally, for any specific health concerns or tailored advice, always consult with your avian veterinarian.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.